Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Hamzam Neer and welcome to my channel AI with Flutter. I am really excited to start this complete Dart series especially designed for both absolute beginners and senior developer. In this series, we will cover everything from zero to advanced step by step in simplest way. This course is fully recorded in English and I am also creating a separate playlist in Urdu with the same topics so you can learn in whichever language you prefer. Every video in this series will be short, clear and beginner friendly, and at the end of each video we will cover important and common interview question that will help you for job, internships and real world development. So let's discuss the topics which we will cover in the whole playlist. So in the first week we will start everything from the absolute basic, and this week is totally for beginners. From day 1 to day 7 we will build your core programming foundation step by step. We will cover the introduction to Dart, basic syntax, variables, data types, operators, and even a few mini projects to boost your confidence early on. By the end of week 1, you will understand the essential building block of every programming language. And when we move to week 2, we will cover control flows, where you will see if else statements, loops, switch statements, everything that controls the logic of your app. Then we move into function from the very basic all the way to advanced concept like arrow functions, optional parameters and anonymous function. By the end of this week you will fully understand list, set and maps, the core collection used in every Flutter app. And then we will move to week 3, which is related to object oriented programming, OOP. So in week 3 is all about OOP, the true heart of Dart and Flutter development. We dive into classes, objects, constructor, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract classes, mixins, and finally generics. This week is where everything starts to make sense, and this is the point where you shift from beginner into real developer who understand how apps are truly built. In the end, we will cover advanced Dart topics which every professional developer should know. So the advanced in this week we will work on error handling, asynchronous programming with Flutter, streams, isolates for parallel tasks, file handling, JSON parsing, core libraries, networking, sockets, and even architecture and testing. And then at the end of each video we will cover important and common interviews question we will ask in jobs and during internships. Thanks for this video, and let's move into the next topic which we will cover later. So if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my YouTube channel.